How to view satellite image of any date in Google Earth Mobile. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can change the year on your Google Earth. Now, let's get started. First thing, download Google Earth. If you don't have it, go to your App Store and search for Google Earth. Let's do that. If you already have this installed, go ahead and update it. So just search for Google Earth and open it up. If there is an update available, tap on update and open it up. Now after Google Earth opens up, go to any place you want. And after you're there, tap on the layer icon on the top right. Now after doing that, if you scroll down for a bit, under the additional layers, you will see historical imagery. Tap on it. Turn this on. And after you've done that, you will see on the bottom the option to change the year. Now after you change the year, the Google Earth will change accordingly and you can view this place on different years. So that is how you do it. That is how you can change the year on Google Earth through satellite imagery. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more.